So, Vande Mataram, and a very good morning to everyone. This is Shefali Srivastava, the privileged host of today's program, extending a very heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries, our Honorable Director Ma'am, our eminent guests of today, Mr. Arun Kumar Shukla, Lecturer of Chemistry, Gopal Inter College, Prayagraj, and Professor Dr. Nilanjan Majumdar, Principal of BRD Government PG College, Sonbhadra. I extend my welcome to our respected principal sir of Swami Atulanand Hindu Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Shrikant Shukla ji, our own principal madam, vice principal madam, vice principal sir, respected teachers, and of course, all dear, our passed out and appearing 12th students. Dear students, today we have organized this career counseling program for past class 12 students and appearing class 12 students because this is the most crucial phase of your life, anyone's life, where one right decision or a wrong decision can change the shape of your entire life. This time where you are so much exposed, you might be getting a variety of input from variety of sources telling about so many lucrative career options, and you might be grossly confused what to choose, what not to choose, and if you have chosen something, how to get it. So for making you, facilitating you for a correct decision making for your future, we have invited two eminent guests today because an educator, both are educators, an educator can guide you the best for this, being selflessly. So we have invited Mr. Arun Kumar Shukla ji, Lecturer of Chemistry, Gopal Inter College, Prayagraj, and he is our first speaker of today. The next speaker, Dr. Nilanjan Majumdar, he is likely to join. So I request Shukla sir to please address our students, please guide them.
थैंक यू आवाज सुनाई दे रही है?
Yes, sir. Are you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us start today's career counseling session 2021. Honorable Chairperson of the career counseling session, respected Senior Resource Person Professor Nilanjan Majumdar ji, other respected participants of this session, and dear students. Today, in this career counseling session, we will focus on various courses after 12th science, either PCM or PCB, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics group, or PCB, Physics, Chemistry, Biology group. More often than not, students keep on wondering what after 12th. This problem especially becomes much more nuanced for pupils who opt for science stream in their 10+2. Gone are the days when engineering and medicine were the only option available in the realm of science. With rising avenues in education every day, there are a wide array of courses available for learners after completing their 12th in science, both medical and non-medical. From courses in engineering, medicine, nursing, architecture, to law, liberal, and fine arts, language, and literature, students in science have numerous courses to choose from after 12. As everyone is aware of, science stream can be divided into two sub-streams, medical and non-medical. Numerous arrays of courses are available as an option for both the streams. In this webinar, we will focus on various courses that students can pursue after their 12th science. Courses after 12th science are BTech or BE, B.Arch, B.F. Tech, BSc Honors in Physics, BSc Honors in Chemistry, BSc Honors in Mathematics, BSc Honors in Zoology, BSc Honors in Botany, BSc Honors in Biology, BSc in Microbiology, BSc in Biochemistry, BSc in Psychology, BSc in Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Information Technology, BSc Food Science and Technology, Bachelor in Physiotherapy, BSc in Anthropology, MBBS, B Pharma, BCA, Basic Nursing Courses, Bachelor of Dental Surgery, BHMS, Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery, BUMS, Bachelor of Unani Medicine and Surgery, Bachelor of Social Work, Bachelor of Physiotherapy. Non-science courses after 12th are also available. One best advantage that a learner of science stream has is that he or she can opt for other non-science specific courses as well. Yani jo science students is eligible for science courses as well as for non-science courses also. This is the advantage for science students. There are a number of other top choice courses after 12th science, such as BA Honors in English, BA LLB, BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management, BSc Commerce, BCom, BBA LLB, BA in Animation, Bachelor in Fine Arts, BBA LLB, BA Honors in Economics, BCom. Courses after 12th science, PCM students have numerous options to choose from after 12th science, PCM. Here is the list and details of courses one can pursue is specific to 12th PCM. Those students who are from PCM groups, physics, chemistry, and mathematics, they have various chances, such as BTech or BE. People who find themselves attracted to development of upcoming as well as traditional method of technology can very well opt for the most sought after courses after 12th in non-medical stream. Some of the sub-streams that we have to specialize in are, there are some specialization in BTech or BE, such as civil engineering, environmental engineering, ceramic engineering, aerospace engineering, chemical engineering, industrial engineering, electrical engineering, computer science engineering, automobile engineering, mechanical engineering. So they are the branches. These are the branches in BTech or BE. There are various engineering courses which are continuously going on in India. B.Arch is another branch with the aim to materialize the idea behind raising legendary structure. Many students opt to Bachelor in Architecture, and B.Arch is also a PCM group. It is clearly the most sought after course after BTech for students in PCM stream, with key topics like small space living, sustainable designs, and green urban planning coming up in the curriculum of architecture. This course entails a scope in its ambit. Additionally, students can imply inherent and learn knowledge of physics and geometry to excel in this course. Third one is BF Tech, Bachelor of Fashion Technology. Student possessing a knack for design and creativity, technology at the same time can very well intermix these aspects while pursuing BF Tech. This arena entails numerous engaging topics like apparel production, quality control, fashion merchandising, among many others. Third one is BSc. A lot of students opt for BSc or Bachelor in Science as an alternative course. One can pursue BSc in subjects like physics, biology, botany, zoology, chemistry, among many others, and further increase their market value by pursuing MSc, PhD, and so on. After BSc and MSc, there are various scope for the students like teaching jobs, scientific jobs, freelancer jobs, and writing jobs. There are so many jobs in factories as a chemist, in industry as a chemist, in FMCG companies, in medicinal companies, and so on. Fourth one is BCA, Bachelor in Computer Application. BCA or Bachelor in Computer Application is a good choice for students who have inclination towards the realm of computer science. With the emerging concepts like automation, develops machine learning and data security. This field entails many novel opportunities for students. Yani, if students having PCM in 10+2 is also eligible for BCA course. Bachelor in Application and Bachelor in Computer Application is a good choice. Here are some other in-demand courses that can be pursued after 12th science, such as BSc in Data Science, Bachelor in Statistics, BSc Honors in Economics, Forensic Science, BSc in Nuclear Science, BSc Liberal Arts, B Pharma, B Design, Bachelor of Business Studies, Integrated Law courses, Integrated B.Ed courses, BA English Honors, BJMC, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication, BSW, Bachelor of Social Work. So there are so many courses which are BTech BE, BCA, or any other group. With the need of the medical professional growing exponentially, the course pertaining to PCB, Physics, Chemistry, and Biology, have witnessed a wide surge in demand. PCB students often consider 2-3 options to pursue higher studies. Rather, several other options are available to make a career. Those students which has passed 10+2 with the subject PCB, they have option either they do BSc or they do MBBS or B Pharma. So other than these, there are also some professional studies, professional jobs also. For example, MBBS. This is an obvious choice of course among the students after opting for PCB. Pursuing MBBS is a gateway for students to carry a landmark career in the field of medicine. Those students who wants to make their career in medicine, they do MBBS. B Pharma. A student can also get an entry into the world of medicine by pursuing bachelor's in pharmacy. This course focuses on administering curriculum in a way that students learn the method of and process that goes into producing certain medicinal drugs. Bachelor of Dental Surgery. This course is a good choice for one to embark a journey to become a dental surgeon. BSc courses, students can explore specialization available in Bachelor of Science after their 12th in PCB. Here is the list of BSc courses after 12th PCB. Pursuing BSc courses with a specific concentration can help students make a successful career. There are specializations that are offered both in BSc and BTech. Interested students can take a BSc course to save their precious 1 year and start their professional journey. BSc courses give students great opportunity to study and explore their passion. BSc in biology, botany or zoology, BSc in biotechnology, BSc microbiology, Bachelor in physiotherapy, BSc nutrition and dietetics, BSc food science and technology, BSc in biomedical technology, BSc in bioinformatics, BSc in forensic science, BSc in psychology. Other courses after 12th science students are both medical and non-medical stream have added advantage to explore other best courses from diverse concentration. The details of such courses are here. The BA honors in English. Here is a great opportunity to those students who have passed 10+2 with science. They also engaged in other courses, in humanities courses also. This is BA honors in English. One can pursue BA honors in English to polish one's language and literature skills. This course also helps in developing critical and creative faculties of a person. BA LLB. BA LLB is an integrated law course. Pursuing law is another option for students after science, both PCM or PCB. This would be an interdisciplinary option. There are opening doors to the thriving arena of law for students. BSc in hospitality and hotel management. Hospitality and management is another field which attracts numerous students from PCB and PCM backgrounds. And this BSc in hospitality and hotel management is open for both PCM group and PCB group. Having capillaries like hotel management and culinary arts, this opens numerous great arenas for students. Second is the Bachelor in Journalism and Mass Communication. This course is also open for both PCM and PC. If speaking for a ragging issue and expressing your opinion about said issue is your thing, this is a well-suited course for you. The contemporary curriculum in journalism and mass communication also entails newer forms of media like digital marketing and social media marketing within their ambit. BSc in design. BSc in design is also open for both. Many creative minds take up a BSc degree in design after the completion of their school. Thereon, they carve a career in the creative field of design. They can also simultaneously align their interest by learning the art of animation and there are integrating it with design. Bachelor in Fine Arts, जिसको हम BFA कहते हैं. Some students also channelize their inner artist by taking up a degree in fine or liberal arts. Henceforth, practicing numerous kind of fine arts in the course of their career. BBA LLB. People having a knack for corporate as well as fondness for the legal work integrate both these lacking by taking up a course on BBA LLB. BBA LLB is the integrated law course. BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration plus LLB. This course gives a good amalgamation of business and its functioning with law. This is a good course. This is amalgamated course. BBA plus LLB. BCom honors. For the students who find themselves invested in the world of trade and commerce, entrepreneurship and business, this is an apt course to opt for. So those students who wants to invest themselves in the world of trade, commerce, entrepreneurship and business, the best option is BCom honors. So those students who are from either PCM or PCB, both are eligible for BCom honors. A bachelor's degree in commerce offers one all the insights in the world of commerce and trade. There are many courses. Apart from these, there are diploma courses also. So many students aim to pursue a short-term diploma courses after 12th. And there are venture into the professional field. These short duration course help students get an early qualification and hands-on curriculum through industry-focused curriculum to start their professional career. So diploma courses are short-term courses. These courses are very, very beneficial. And these courses are industry curriculum-based courses, and they are best for their professional career. Diploma in engineering. A diploma course in engineering offers a concise and compact module to students who wish to know the basics of field and they are venture into the professional journey of the same. Diploma in engineering, such as Polytechnic, जिसमें Polytechnic के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Diploma in nutrition and dietetics. Many opt for a diploma course in nutrition and dietetics. They use the knowledge they gained from concepts of biology and chemistry to build up their understanding of the field. Nutrition and dietetics are related with biology and chemistry, biological structure and the chemical structure of the body. So after having a diploma in nutrition and dietetics, the students make a very good career in his life. Diploma in nursing. Many students who envision a career in nursing. Those students who wants to make their career in nursing, they do diploma in nursing, pursue a degree in nursing to embark in said fields. GNM, ANM, BSc, diploma in nursing, etc. Diploma in any foreign language. With words shrinking constantly, manifold opportunities in diverse foreign language are available in the country. Getting a diploma in any such foreign language is a good way to go about it. As you know, by the invention of mobile and such electronic media, the word is constant, always going to shrinking. So if a student have diploma in any foreign language, such as Russian, Japanese, German, they have also a good career in his life, in his future. Among with the discussed courses earlier, students can also take up various diploma courses such as diploma in radiological technology, diploma in interior designing, diploma in interior designing, diploma in animation, diploma in management, diploma in biotechnology, diploma in advertising, diploma in education technology, diploma in event management.
Sir, your voice is not coming, so please unmute yourself. You might have been muted by default.
Can you listen me? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So all the discussed courses in this webinar summarize the options available for students after pursuing 12th science in both medical and non-medical. Medical field is related to the PCB and non-medical fields related with PCM fields. Students can choose a course as per their interest. The best thing is students can choose a course, a field of study as per their interest and career goals. यहां पर मैं कहना चाहूंगा अभिभावकों से, फॉर गार्जियंस, टीचर्स एंड अदर जो शुभेच्छु होते हैं किसी बच्चे के, वो बच्चे दबाव न डालें कि बच्चा यही पढ़े, उसे स्वतंत्र कर दें, उसकी स्वेच्छा पर छोड़ दें कि वह कौन सा विषय पढ़ने का इच्छुक है। तो जितनी इच्छा होगी, जिसमें उसका इंटरेस्ट होगा, उसमें वो बेहतर और आगे बढ़े। इसी के साथ आज इस वेबिनार में हम लोगों ने ट्रेडिशनल और नॉन ट्रेडिशनल कोर्सेज के बारे में जाना। थैंक्स टू ऑल, धन्यवाद। एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट साइड? हमें सुन पा रहे हैं डियर स्टूडेंट्स?
सर बच्चों की तरफ से एक सवाल मेरा आप लीजिए, इफ यू परमिट मी, देन आई वांट टू पोस्ट ए क्वेश्चन on behalf of student who have been listening you carefully, and they have been so absorbed that they are not coming up with the question. My question is that nowadays, whether it is BTech or medical like MBBS and all, these two courses are known for their charm and attraction. Like people nowadays have a perception that if a student is going to do engineering, he will receive a good job, he will earn in lakhs and lakhs, he will live a very charming life, glamorous life. Then what is the scope of our traditional course like BSc, which is, I think, is most underrated course, which is not so. And we have seen that in this lockdown period, in this pandemic period, there are thousands and thousands of engineers, they have been left jobless. तो ऐसे ऐसे लोग जो एक समय में बहुत ही लिक्रेटिव ग्लैमरस लाइफ जी रहे थे, अचानक इस पेंडेमिक सिचुएशन की वजह से बहुतों की जॉब चली गई, एंड दे आर फोर्स्ड टू लिव द वे दे नेवर विश्ड फॉर. तो इन दिस सिनेरियो, how this BSc course, which is, again I'm telling you, which is told, which is considered as the most underrated course, how a student must be instincted to do a BSc rather than going for BTech and all. Your mic is muted, sir. Please unmute yourself, then we can have a privilege to listen you clearly.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल सर.
बच्चों से मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि देखिए, बीटेक, एमबीबीएस और अदर जो प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज हैं, पहली चीज तो ये है कि दे आर एक्सपेंसिव. सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट कि इतने ज्यादा कॉलेजेस खुल गए हैं और वहां की जो क्वालिटी एजुकेशन है इतनी लो है कि आज बीटेक करके बच्चे सड़क पर घूम रहे हैं और 5,000 की नौकरी पाने में भी वो अक्षम। यहाँ तक कि वो जाकर के दुकानों पर कंप्यूटर का जॉब कर रहे हैं, 4,000 5,000 पा रहे हैं। तो आज के समय में अगर देखा जाए तो बीएससी करने वाले बच्चों की संख्या है वो कम हो रही है, लेकिन ऐसे बच्चे जो टैलेंटेड हैं अगर वो बीएससी करते हैं, चाहे वो पीसीए ग्रुप से करें चाहे पीसीए ग्रुप बी ग्रुप से करें, उनके लिए जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू बीटेक और अदर प्रोफेशनल कोर्सेज। उदाहरण के लिए अगर बच्चा बीएससी करता है पीसीएम और पीसीबी ग्रुप से, क्या क्या ऑप्शन खुले हैं ये मैं बताना चाहूंगा। यहाँ पर अगर कोई बच्चा बीएससी करता है, बीएससी के बाद एमएससी करता है, एमएससी के बाद बीएड, पीएचडी, पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट करता है, तो बीएससी से लेकर पोस्ट डॉक्टरेट करने में अगर किसी स्टेप पर उसकी पढ़ाई छूट जाती है तो भी उसके लिए कई ऑप्शन खुल जाते हैं। जैसे पहला तो टीचिंग जॉब, टीचिंग जॉब फ्रॉम स्कूल टीचिंग से लेकर के यूनिवर्सिटी टीचिंग तक, कॉलेज टीचिंग, आजकल टीजीटी, पीजीटी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर जो बनते हैं वो इसी चैनल से होकर के जाते हैं, बीएससी एमएससी से ही होकर के जाते हैं। दूसरा साइंटिस्ट, वैज्ञानिक, जो स्टूडेंट्स बीएससी एमएससी पीएचडी करके आगे बढ़ते हैं उनके लिए एक दरवाजा खुलता है वैज्ञानिक का, साइंटिस्ट। वो साइंटिस्ट कहाँ हो सकते हैं? साइंटिस्ट वो किसी फैक्ट्री में हो सकते हैं, और फैक्ट्री कैसी, जैसे आज मेटलर्जिकल फैक्ट्री है, एफएमसीजी की फैक्ट्री है, टेक्सटाइल की फैक्ट्री है, तो वहां पर उनके लिए जॉब की अपॉर्चुनिटी खुलती है। इसके अलावा जैसे रिसर्च सेंटर्स जो वहां पे साइंटिफिक, इसके साथ ही थर्ड नंबर पे जैसे फ्रीलांसिंग राइटिंग, अगर वो बच्चे को कहीं नौकरी नहीं मिलती है तो अगर वो फ्रीलांसर राइटिंग का काम शुरू करता है तो भी वह अपनी जीविका को चला सकता है। इसके साथ ही बुक्स राइटिंग, अगर बच्चा पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन किया हुआ है, अच्छा जानकार है अपने सब्जेक्ट का, तो वो विभिन्न जैसे केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, बायोलॉजी की बुक्स लिख करके उनसे अर्न कर सककर के अपनी फ्यूचर लाइफ में एक करियर बना सकता है। तो देयर आर सो मेनी जॉब्स। वो सिविल सर्विसेज में भी जा सकता है, जैसे यूपीएससी है, यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के जरिए आईएएस बन सकता है, आईएफएस बन सकता है, आईपीएस बन सकता है। जैसे राज्य स्तरीय जो पीसीएस की परीक्षाएं होती हैं उनमें राज्य स्तर के जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स होते हैं उनमें भी जा सकता है। तो देयर आर मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज, बहुत सारे संभावनाएं हैं बीएससी एमएससी करने के बाद। ये जो हमारा ट्रेडिशनल कोर्स है इसमें देखा जा रहा है इधर कि जो अच्छे बच्चों की कमी होती जा रही है, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग में एक कीड़ा घुस गया है कि हम बीटेक करेंगे और बीटेक करने के बाद बहुत अच्छी जॉब जाएगी। बीटेक करने वालों में जो जॉब पाने की जो परसेंटेज है बहुत कम, जो हायर लेवल के सैलरी पे जाते हैं वो बहुत कम है। तो इसलिए बच्चों से एक आग्रह है, उनके एक सुझाव है कि वो अगर अच्छे हैं और इस क्षेत्र में अगर वो टैलेंट बनाना चाहते हैं तो ग्रेजुएशन यानी बीएससी एमएससी एक अच्छा रूट है। इस रूट को पकड़ के चले, निश्चित ही उन्हें कैरियर में सफलता मिलेगी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.